immediately fix your Forza Horizon 4 Horizon Live cutscene not playing or showing issue right now. Nothing kills immersion faster than a blank screen when critical cutscene should be playing, but we've got the solutions to get you back into the action seamlessly. First, let's tackle potential file corruption. Method 1 involves verifying your game files. Head into your game launcher, find Forza Horizon 4 and initiate a file integrity check. This ensures all essential game assets are present and undamaged. If verifying files doesn't resolve your blank cutscene problem, the issue often lies with outdated graphics drivers, which brings us to method 2. It's crucial to keep your display drivers current. Visit your GPU manufacturer's website, download the latest stable version, and perform a clean installation to clear any old, conflicting driver data. Still seeing a black screen? Method 3 focuses on resetting your game application. Windows stores temporary game data that can become corrupted, so open Windows Settings, navigate to Apps, find Forza Horizon 4 and select Reset to clear that cache and force a fresh restart. Finally, if those steps haven't worked, Method 4 optimizes compatibility. Locate the game's executable, right-click for properties, and enable Run as Administrator along with disable full screen optimizations to grant the game full system access and prevent display conflicts. One of these fixes will absolutely get your Forza Horizon 4 cutscenes working perfectly.